Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while that I haven't posted, but I had a couple of other things that were actually taking up my time, including work and other stuff. So yeah, the Roxor is still there. I drove it to work the other day, and that's where I picked up all the mud on the body. But for the most part, this winter was mild. But before it really freezes, before we get the deep freeze, I always try to keep the body clean from grime and dirt from the road. So yeah, last time I had the vehicle out, it overpressured and it blew off the intake from the turbo. So that fitting right there blew off. But since then I haven't really driven it hard, so I don't know if my blow-off valve actually works. Haven't adjusted it, so it's just there now for maybe cosmetics or whatever. Okay, also I still have every now and then, especially if the Roxor sits for a while, I'll have what I think is some kind of diesel leak. I think it might be coming from the fuel water separator. I'm not sure. It's the deal that sits right here. I think it's coming from there. All right, let's hop in. And I can't say enough about the heater. Without that, you will be freezing all winter long. So that was definitely a lifesaver. I'm happy I had that in the Roxor. Oh, that clutch feels so soft after driving that 1-ton Dodge truck. All right, let's let it warm up a little. It's just about 35 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Starts right up. Yeah, this clutch is really soft compared to the one on the Dodge truck that I've been driving. So about the Roxor market, still there's no news about a 2022, the new redesign. I don't know what exactly is going on with that. Are they gonna make it? Are they just gonna tease it and then wait later until the market conditions are favorable? I have no idea on that, but it seems kind of a bummer because many people are waiting on the sidelines to acquire one of these. Oops. It takes off like a bat from hell. Oh, that's too fast. Just put it in first gear, let it crawl like that. So yeah, that's the situation of the Roxor right now. Out here with the cold weather, I haven't really been out much. Mostly driven around here, and I have a bunch of videos which I still haven't edited. Hopefully I will get to those soon. I love my little indicator here. It just makes you feel safer when driving around, knowing that people behind you can see your intentions and know what you're about to do. Yeah, it still rides as good as day one. Well, it should, because I haven't really put many miles on it, so yeah. Really great for running around, going out to the lake. Just the perfect vehicle. Yeah. This is my little off-road trail. Yeah, I just love the way it handles. It's soaking up all those bumps without complaining. I wish I had a proper, off-road trail closer to me. I still have both axles. I haven't checked them yet, but I think I've been in water that has gone above the hubs of the axles. So that's one more thing I have to check. And this interior from HELLCAT, it's just a godsend, because even though it's 35 degrees out now, it tends to be pretty windy out here. So that wind chill will actually get you, so with the HELLCAT, it cuts out the wind and you can actually control the climate in here. So that worked out to be perfect. And it also adds that sound deadening material inside on the door panels. So it's a pretty good deal if you ask me. And then behind here, I pushed the seat forward. I have a beach chair, so wherever I go and I want to sit, I don't have to sit in the bed of the truck, which is rather high. It doesn't have a footrest. So that's what I use, that little beach chair. I can sit on it and spend my time watching the lake or wherever. All right, that's pretty much what I had for you guys. Not much happening with modifications. I still have to do a few things, probably polish up my wheels and get my the tires that I want. Yeah, so far I'm very happy with the Roxor, not complaining. Yeah, those high winds will spin this around. Have to get it tightened. And I'm also thinking, if you look at the angle of the door, when you try to get in with these OEM footsteps, it makes you want to slip that way with your legs. So I'm trying to see if I can find something that's longer and comes all the way out here. That way you're more comfortable climbing in. See if there's somewhere to tag. I might have to drill something here. The storage boxes underneath, I hardly use those. It's one on both sides. Reason being that they're open to the elements below. Yeah, so if you put any stuff in here and you go wading into deep water, then you're gonna have everything wet. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.